Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TourWidUs. This is our last 500 kilometer and final destination. Today we are going to start from Darjeeling and we are going to reach Guwahati by the end of the day, I guess. So now let's get into the ride.
Yep, let's see how much time it will take for us to reach Guwahati, Assam. So, Shridampur border is near about 234 to 40 kilometers. In Google Map it shows as 5 hours 35 minutes. So let's check out how much time it will take for us to reach. Let's get back to the ride.
Now we are out from our hotel and we are heading towards Guwahati. In the morning it was around 6:30 am and there were less traffic on the hill areas. We found many people were out for the jogging. That was really cool because the breeze was really awesome for morning out. And the roads were in a good condition, so nothing much to worry on that. And later time suddenly my brakes were not working, so I had to slow down, and then I was going very slowly to reach to Sivoke. So guys, please be careful while you'll be driving down the hill. And then we faced this particular road. This was in a very pathetic condition. On the left side you can see the Tista river. There were some bridges and we have to go alongside the Tista river to reach the national highways. So now mostly all are plain areas, so it was good, but little bit the roads were not that great. But yeah, it was okay to drive. The view was really mesmerizing. This is the Coronation bridge from where we'll be heading towards our destination. So many people were stopping besides the bridge and were clicking some pics, but we were on our way. As the time was passing, it was getting a little bit hotter, but yeah, that was pretty much expected. Now we are on the plain areas and I was enjoying the ride as the roads were in good shape. Both sides there were tea gardens. It was looking really amazing.
It took us around 3 hours to touch the plains. Now the road is quite good and we took our first chai break. So Wendy is also very tired. There is a river, but we have crossed one bridge, but I didn't see any water or anything. I don't know where is the river is. That side there is a river, but it's completely dried. Now we have to travel more than 400 kilometers today to reach our home.
After our break, we again started our journey. It was getting hotter and hotter and we saw the Guwahati signboard, so we were really excited because today we have to reach Guwahati. That was one of the adrenaline push for me to drive a little bit more in a speedy manner, and the roads were really very nice. The left side was full of tea garden and it was looking really beautiful. So here on the left side you can see that a rail line was there, and then we were heading towards the checkposts of West Bengal. This was one of the bridge which we got after the checkpost. then we are now entering Assam border. Here there were many trucks which were passing by, so I have to take a little bit left, then I have to cross it. The roads were okay. I'll not say that in a very good condition, but yeah, you can definitely drive through it, so no problem on that. We encountered another checkpoint, and we thought that would be a COVID checkpoint, but the police allowed us to go, so we were again back on the highway, and it was getting hotter and hotter, but yeah, we were enjoying a lot because we have entered Assam. There were diversions on the national highway, and the roads were a little bit ups and down, but we can manage those things when we are traveling on national highways. So we are getting closer and closer, and now we are in the Coronation district.
We have entered Assam 1 hour back, but there is no COVID check or any checkpoint. Nobody asked about anything. Now for our final destination, we have to go around 200 kilometer more. And now we stop for a small break. Need to hydrate ourselves, need some water.
Finally, after driving through Kokrajhar Bongaigaon, and then we have taken a deviation from the national highway, and this is the Saraighat bridge which we enter, and that gives you a confirmation that you are reaching Guwahati, or you are entering Guwahati. That was really awesome, and I was much relaxed at that time that I was heading to my home. It was really an awesome feeling for me. Finally, this was our last pick we have took when we reached Guwahati. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for our exploration in Assam. Please do subscribe and support our channel. If you have any comments, mention it in the comment section, and I will reply it at the earliest. Thanks for your time. See you soon.